आतां आमी ह्या भुरग्यांक ह्या क्लासीन भुरगे बसतात हांगा पेंटींग करतात हांगा भुरगेच ना हांगा जाणटे आसा सो तांचे कडेन उलोवया आनी जाणून घेवया ही क्लास तांकां कित्याक आवडटा हे क्लासीन कितें स्पेशल आसा आनी ताजे उपरांत हे एग्जिबिशनाक जे ताणें एग्जिबिशन घाल्लें आसा त्या एग्जिबिशनान तांकां कसो रिस्पॉन्स आसा.
The fact that we have a very creative teacher who allows us to be as creative as we want and yet helps us develop a different style altogether is why I come to this class. Because I have so much fun here, and also I guess a lot of good people come to this class, so you learn a lot through your friends as well, not just through your teacher. The exhibition was something truly different because I'd never been in one of his exhibitions before. I never expected such diversity from what was in our exhibition this year.
I've been coming to this class for a really long time and I honestly enjoy it a lot. Art is something that my mom has been doing for a really long time, and coming to this art class has allowed me to do better at art. The exhibition was a huge hit and few of my works were put up, I saw. It was really good.
This art class has helped me in many ways. Like I've developed many new skills from Sir. He's really great and fun, and he's very different from the other Sirs. Like if you go for music, they'd be like sit down, but then like do like restricted rules and all. But over here you can do like many different things that you can't do in other classes, and it's really fun and there are no restrictions over here. The exhibition was really good. I gave 3 of my drawings and sold 1.
I like my sir. He teaches very well and nice. He is very good in art, and even I want to be an artist. I like my exhibition. I saw a lot of my drawings and everyone's. I liked it. It was very beautiful.
I like this class because I like drawing. I'm very good at drawing also, and I like my sir. The exhibitions, I loved it very much because it was very creative.
Sir makes us think very creatively for this art class. We've learned to draw in different mediums, and he encourages us to like think more differently and not copy others.
आमच्या बरोबर 2 स्टुडंट आसात विल्सनाची किंबर्ली आनी करिना ही दोगूय जाण MIT ह्या इन्स्टिट्यूट वेरी फेमस इन्स्टिट्यूट आसा पुण्यान डिझायन इन्स्टिट्यूट तातूंत ती शिकतात. हांगा आशिल्लीं ती पयलीं हांच्यान तांकां गायडन्स मेळून ती थंय गेल्लीं आसा. सो हांगा हे खास कितें ह्या क्लासान हे तांकां विचारुया. Kimberly and Karina, both of you all, tell me about the speciality of this class, since you have started from here and then went there.
The thing is, here you learn the basics of everything and what is necessary and what you basically need to do. And here you're allowed to be more free. You do have guidelines, but you're allowed to be free with what you want to express yourself basically.
And the best part about this course is he's basically structured it in such a way that suppose a student comes up with an innovative idea, then other students can look at it and base their ideas on that. So it's a constantly evolving course, and that helps us when we go to college about in our assignments and everything.
What Wilson teaches you is basically the basics that you need for any course that you're doing, and what he teaches here is the basics that you could use for design, architecture and fine arts. So
it's like a foundation for all 3 disciplines. So once you finish this course, then you're very well prepared for colleges like what she said, architecture, art or design. So basically he prepared us for our exams and everything, and this course it has an inherent value that whatever you do here you will find use later in life.
आमच्या बरोबर आसात 2 प्रोफेशनल्स. भुरग्यां बरोबर प्रोफेशनल्सूय हांगा येतात, जाणटीं हांगा येतात. त्या संदर्भान हांगा 2 जाण हांगा प्रोफेशनल्स आसा आमच्या बरोबर. एक अपर्णा प्रधान, डॉक्टर अपर्णा प्रधान, जी डॉक्टरेट इन बायोलॉजी आसा. दुसरी आसा आमच्या बरोबर गौरी बोरकर, जे पॅथॉलॉजिस्ट आसा. तांकां विचारया ह्या क्लासी बद्दल आनी एक्झिबिशना बद्दल. मिसेस प्रधान, can you tell me about this class as to what you like about it? Because you already done a doctorate in biology and you are interested in art and you have come here and you enjoy it. So tell me about it.
See, for me art is an expression of your inner self, and for anything a good foundation is very, very important, and this is what we get it here in this class. We learn all the basics of the art and painting. We use different mediums, And the best part of the class is that Mr. Wilson, he gives us full encouragement plus independence. Whatever we want to do, he guides us to, and he encourages us to do the way we want. There is no inhibition like, no, this is not a right style or this is not a good thing. He always pushes every student, and the best part is that he focuses on each and every student. So every student has his own style, and the best thing is that he brings out talent from each one of us. So that is the best part of this class. And I have learned the basics also, and different tones and different media. I have worked in different media, and now I am trying to do some figurative work, which I hope maybe I'll carry forward later also in my life.
When I was a kid, I used to always like painting, but as the parents always says that a child should always be a doctor, engineer, MBAs, as that gives more importance. So I did my studies, I started working in Goa Medical College, and then since I had some free time, I thought of coming to this class, heard about from many people. And when I came here, sir was like more than a teacher, he is like a friend. He brought the best out of me. What I knew is only sceneries and the basic thing. Sir taught me right from the basic. Now I can work on any media like watercolors, oil colors, pastel, soft pastel, name it, and sir always teaches us. And here the thing is like more than anything, whatever you know, sir tries to remove the main quality in you, and on that he tries to express his thing, and you get the best out of it. So I think I'm very thankful because I've come over here.
How do you take the exhibition that y'all had? There were more than 400 works, sorry, and you were a participant in that. So how do you take that? How was the response as such?
The exhibition was a very good platform for us to exhibit our work, and we got a lot of appreciation from different walks of life, and people from different walks of life, they came and praised the work. I mean, practically all the works were appreciated quite a bit, and the art critics also came, they saw the work and they appreciated it. So it was basically a very good platform for all of us.
I had displayed 3 paintings of mine, which one got sold, and the exhibition was good, interacting with so many people. Here there is no competition, like I'm the best, you are the best. Here everybody is the best. Here it just starts like from 9-year-old till we grown up. So it was just fun for exhibition.
All of us were very enthusiastic about the exhibition, and everybody worked towards it.
You are professionals now. You are busy in your own sweet world. You write, in fact, Ms. Pradhan. How do you take this new initiative of yours and this class? And now you are being straitjacketed. You want to work within that parameters. Of course, the class here is not based on that horses goggle sort of syllabus. There is something like you come here, you study. It's all over again. Do you enjoy it?
I enjoy it thoroughly, and since I have a research background, so whatever I work on, I do a lot of research, come and discuss with him, and then I try to do it on paper, and gradually something good comes out of it every time, and all encouragement, so that keeps me going.
So when I come here, I keep the medical thing outside the door, and I come here and I get all different types of talent and everything, and sir just tells me where I should go, and that's it.
आमचे बरोबर आसा रोज जे आनी एक एक्झॅक्टली पेंटरली बॅकग्रावंड किंवा आर्टिस्टीक बॅकग्रावंड ना तरी सुद्दां हांगा येता आनी वेरी इंडिविज्युअलिस्टीक टायप वेरी डिफरंट टायप ऑफ वर्क करता ताका विचारया ताका हे क्लासीस कश्यो लागल्यो. रोज म्हाका सांग हे क्लासीस तूं आतां हांगा येता यू हॅव नो बॅकग्रावंड इन आर्ट बट यू हॅव डन सम अमेझींग वर्क्स. हाव इज दॅट?
I used to come in last September. I started coming here, but I was not having an idea anything about art. So once I was just coming here to assist him, but slowly I started working. He told me to just do some drawing, basically like figure works and all. And with that I started getting this drawings, paintings and all. He guided me with all these things.
But most of your works are not exactly realistic. Semi-abstract, abstract.
He guided me with all these things. He used to guide. He used to tell what is good, what is bad, what we have to do, whether it is you have to shade, whether you have to do this properly. He used to guide us, and that's what I got this figurative work like. Otherwise, I have no knowledge about anything about art.
And your work was displayed at the exhibition. How was the response there?
Good. Everyone appreciated my work. They said it is nice and it is attractive also.
तुम्ही आयचो एपिसोड पळयलो पायट पेपर आर्ट अकॅडमी हांगा आमी आशिल्ले अजून हांगा आसा एक्झिबिशन तुम्ही पळयलें ह्या भुरग्यांचें म्हणजे 7 वर्सांचे पिरायेचे भुरगे ते 70 वर्सां पिरायेचे जाणटे अशे हांचे हांगा एकेडमीन येतात तांचें एक्झिबिशन तुम्ही पळयलें तुमकां नक्कीच आवडलां आसतलें. वेंडल रॉड्रिग्स हाजे कडेन आमी उलयले ताजे मतां आमी जाणून घेतलीं आर्टा बद्दल तेंय तुमकां आवडलां आसतलें तातूंत दुबाव ना. आनी परत एक फावट आर्ट अकॅडमीन हांगा आयिल्ले आसात आमचो आयचो एपिसोड हांगाच सोंपता. तुमचे जर कसल्यो कार्यावळी आसल्यो तुमकां जर कसलें सजेशन्स आमकां दिवपाक जाय जाल्यार तुमी ह्या पत्याचेर आमकां कळोवचें nagesh@prudentmedia.in. परत एक फावट सांगता nagesh@prudentmedia.in. आमची आयची कार्यावळ हांगाच सोंपता आनी परत मेळुया फुडल्या बिरेस्तारा सांजवेचे 7:30 वरांचेर तो मेरेन पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया.